Okay, hello everyone, how are you doing out there? This is Boxx Gamer and welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna have a little look at a little platformer called Boxx, or Boxx Remake, because it's a remake version that came out this year, 2023, and the first Boxx game came out in 2014, I think. I have never played the first version, so I'm just gonna jump into this remake here. And yeah, it's cool, but there are new cool Amiga games coming out, so I'm curious about it. So here we go. Easy mode, yeah, I'm gonna play easy mode. Level 1. So please comment in the comment section if you have played this game, or if you have had any viewers have had any experience with it. Okay, so what I have to do here is collect the coins and take out enemies, so I can progress. Oops, lost a little bit of health there. So here is a checkpoint, and it tells me if I'm finished. Yes, it's green there, so otherwise it turns red if I'm not finished. Then I have to go back and try to find out what I've missed. Yeah, so this looks awesome, this game, and sounds awesome. This is Amiga Music Supreme. Fantastic. So I'm happy that I found out about this game. Okay, so here I have to time it. Wait for the creature here. Okay, let's go. Okay. Yes, that was the first level done. No problem. So my lives is up to the left, and my health is the green meter there. So let's jump into the next level here. Whoops. Don't shoot at me. Whee! So far so good. So I jump with my fire button. I'm using a gamepad, but I can jump by pushing upwards as well, but on my analog stick or D-pad, but I prefer using a button for jumping. It's much easier. Whee! Shit. Oh shit! They're bombarding me good here. Come on! Stop that. Yes, I made it. Oh, it was a close one. I was so close to dying there. Level 3. And my energy will not be replenished, I think. Nope. Come here. Oh, you fuck. Completely mistimed it. Okay, now I have replenished my health. But I lost a life, so... Okay. So I'm just gonna keep on playing until I'm game over here. Oh, there is a gun. Yes. Oops. Hey! Well, gonna wait for it here. Ugh. Let's go in here first. Hey! Ugh. I'm losing so much health. So sloppy of me. Yes, 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 yes. So, let's see how now. What level 4 has in store for me. Oi, oi, oi. So I don't have a gun now. This is some kind of puzzle. Perhaps if I can. Okay, I'm gonna wait it out here. Something like that. Can I please have a gun, please? Okay, don't shoot at me, no. Oh! Oh my god. No! Yes. It's a little picky, I have to take out everything in order to advance. Oops. Oh, this game is super cool, I'm so happy about finding out about it. This is a game I will come back to actually. I don't know how many levels it is. Ay, come on! Can I please finish this level? I would be so happy. No, I have missed something. I have missed something. Ah, can it be this? Aha! I got an extra life there. No, I have missed something more. This... What the hell is happening? Let's see if I can... Ah, okay, let's take out this fella. This must be it. Come on. Yes! Okay, now let's see. I don't know what to compare it to actually, this game. But it's a cool platformer for sure. Great, now I have a gun again. Now I can do some serious damage. Oh, look at that! Now I have a big ass robot here. Oi, 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 shit! Shit, I don't know if I shall take it. No, I have to take it out. Yes, come on. Yes. But seriously, I have to get down here again. Aye, come on, what happened? Why did I do that for? Okay, but I can go down this way. Oof. Okay, I don't know what to do here actually, so I have to improvise. Hey! Okay, that was a suicide mission. Yeah, I have not been here, so... Let's try if I can outsmart him. Come here first. So I can shoot you in your back or something. Oh my god. No, caramba. Yeah, it was a tough one, this one. Perhaps I should use the... Okay, I think I should... No, I should probably shoot at the bombs that they drop in, so... To try that. I don't know actually, I don't know. Yes, I did it! No, did I die? Yeah, I think I died in the same moment, the end. Yeah, I think I died in the same moment I took him out. So that was Boxx Remake. Super cool platformer, great music, and great graphics and nice responsive controls. It seems achievable on the easy mode, and normal mode is... I've tried it on normal mode. It's not super difficult on the get-go, but it can be a little bit stressful. So there you go, that's it for today. I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10 for this one. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, have a good one, goodbye.